Welcome to my WriterZen tutorial. This video is part of a series that shows you how you can create content that ranks in Google. You'll find the link to the playlist in the description below this video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the topic discovery tool in WriterZen and show you how you can achieve top rankings in a lot of cases with zero backlinks. In video 2, I'll be covering keyword research like you've never seen before, the WriterZen way. And trust me, you do not want to miss that one. And in video number 3, I'll be bringing it all together to show you how you can create content that ranks in Google. You'll find timestamps in the description below this video. Okay, let's do this. In the old days of the web, when search engines were simple things, the keyword was the name of the game. Search engines could only guess what your page was about by matching your keyword to what somebody searched for. Back then, you stuffed as many keywords as you could into a page and you won. And if others copied you, you just pointed a ton of links to your page and you won again. Then keyword tools started appearing in the market and they made the job nice and easy. But fast forward to today and the game has changed. Unfortunately, many of those keyword tools haven't. They're still all about the keyword. And this is why so many people think that an SEO campaign starts with keyword research. Today, Google is smart. Targeting a keyword proves that you have an answer, but it doesn't prove that you're an expert. And if you have wiser competitors, then why would Google choose you when they can choose an expert? The reality is that today, to rank in Google for at least semi-competitive to competitive stuff, you need what Google calls E.A.T. Expertise, authority, and trust. Trust is about your domain name and your website. Having SSL, a privacy policy, a contact page can really help. In other words, don't look spammy. Expertise and authority are all about knowledge and they do overlap in many places. Domain authority is a different thing. You get that with backlinks and they can still help. But what we're talking about here is topical authority. To demonstrate authority on a topic, Google expects you to cover not just the topic, but also related topics. This is what's known as topical authority. So if you want to be an authority on exercise, then you better know about nutrition and sleep and supplements and all the things that relate to exercise. And so the very first step in your SEO campaign is figuring out all the topics you need to cover in order to become an expert, at least in Google's eyes. Do this properly and you can rank like a boss. Now let's take a look at how we do this in WriterZen. Open up the topic discovery tool. Let's say we're starting a blog about intermittent fasting. Type in your root keyword, in this case, intermittent fasting. Choose your location and language and hit search. WriterZen has identified 71 topics organized by relevancy that relate to intermittent fasting. You can order these by search volume and you can set the relevancy to wide if you want to broaden your scope, or close if you want to narrow it. Let's take a moment to understand what just happened. To create a topic map for your SEO campaign, you need to study your competitors, let's say the top 100. You need to go through each and every page and note down what topics those pages are discussing. Then cross-reference all the topics in all the pages and order them by how many times they appear. Put another way, if metabolism is a topic that appears the most in the top 100, then that's probably a topic that you should cover if you want to be an expert in exercise. And we know this because those pages are already ranking and that means that Google finds them relevant. Now you know the secret. Rinse and repeat until you think you've covered all the relevant topics. Oh yeah, put aside a few days to do this or maybe weeks and try not to lose your mind. Topic clustering, as this is known, is the most horrible time-sucking process in SEO. And frankly, many people don't do this and frankly, that's why they don't rank well. WriterZen does all this for you in just seconds. Just click a button and it's done. All the topics you need to include in your SEO campaign handed over to you. Export them with another click and you have your topic map ready to go. I like to scroll down and manually pick out the topics I want to add to my topic map. Clicking on Show Ideas shows you the topic results for a topic. You'll see the top ranking headlines and their relevancy. And you can see the top headlines under each topic to quickly decide whether this is a topic you want to cover. If you click a topic, you'll notice that you also have Google Suggest Insights. This is a great place to gather questions for each of your topics in your topic cluster. Click on the plus sign to add questions to a list. Create a new list if you need to. Call it the same as the topic and keep adding questions that are going to help you demonstrate expertise. You can also explore related Google searches under that. These are particularly relevant as this is user data straight from Google. Topic clustering has never been so easy, but don't let that fool you. Topical authority is the difference between top rankings that last and failure. And as you've just seen, WriterZen gives you the topic map for any subject in just one click. And now that we have our topic map, we're ready for keyword research. Click the video on your screen and I'll see you in a moment.